Margins in wood retail and wood wholesale. The margins in wood retail and wood wholesale can vary significantly depending on various factors, such as the type of wood, quality of the wood, location, and competition in the market. In general, wood wholesale margins are typically higher than wood retail margins due to the larger quantities of wood being purchased and sold. Wood wholesalers often have direct relationships with manufacturers or suppliers, which allows them to negotiate better prices and access to larger quantities of wood. This often results in higher profit margins when selling to retailers, contractors, or other large-scale customers. On the other hand, wood retail margins can be lower due to the higher cost of purchasing wood in smaller quantities and the need to cover expenses such as rent, utilities, and labor. However, some wood retailers may specialize in higher-end products or unique wood types, which can allow for higher profit margins. It's important to note that both wood retail and wood wholesale margins can vary significantly depending on the specific market and circumstances.